In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Little Big Planet on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about which options you have to play Little Big Planet on your PlayStation 4. There are various different Little Big Planet titles, namely 1, 2, 3, and so on, and you might be curious which of those titles you can play on a PlayStation 4. So the most straightforward way to play Little Big Planet is to open the PlayStation Store, either the website or through the PlayStation Store directly on your console. And when you look for Little Big Planet, you can find a Little Big Planet 3 and then Sackboy: A Big Adventure. Of course, this isn't the original Little Big Planet experience, so if you are looking for a more classic experience, this is the one that you want to select, Little Big Planet 3. This is going to be available for the PlayStation 4, and as long as you can purchase this title, you can load it into your PlayStation 4 and start playing. You can check to see if it is still available digitally for your region, or alternatively, you will have to purchase a physical copy. Playing Little Big Planet 1 and Little Big Planet 2 on a PlayStation 4 is basically impossible, so sadly for those titles, you will actually have to purchase different consoles altogether. Little Big Planet 1 and Little Big Planet 2 do not work on the PlayStation 4 because it cannot play or run PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, and PlayStation 3 discs. It is extremely unfortunate, but as it stands today, this is going to be the case. So if you want to play those older titles, you will have to purchase them for the respective platform. You have to purchase a physical copy because they have been taken off of the PlayStation stores for those respective consoles. So to keep everything short, if you want to play any of the Little Big Planet titles on the PlayStation 4, you don't necessarily care, you can and you should play Little Big Planet 3. However, if you want to play a specific one, for example 1 or 2, then you will have to purchase a copy for the other consoles that they originally released for, because these titles are not compatible with PlayStation 4. So for example, Little Big Planet 1 was originally released for the PlayStation 3, so you will need a working console and you will need the disc. It seems like these games have been taken off the digital stores, so as it stands today, you actually have to purchase them for an alternative console altogether, because the PlayStation 4 cannot emulate these discs. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Little Big Planet on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.